Dear friends, today I'd like to do the machine on the Tryhackme, which is daily Bugle. Yesterday, I have already done this machine. However, in this video, I'd like to show you another way to do the privilege escalation. And I assume that we have already completed previous steps to get the initial for the hold. Now we can go into the Kali Linux VM. As you can see, I've already got the initial for the hold on the target. Next, we need to do some local immersion. For example, we can navigate to home directory. There is just only one user, Jameson. Permission denied. Next, we can upload. Of course, also we can check the version of the kernel. This version is not very updated. I think so. So next we can upload the limpia shell script to the target. And I've already got this shell script ready. And so then in order to upload this shell script to the target, we need to set up the web server locally on the Kali Linux. To do that, we just simply start up the Python HTTP server module. As you can see, the web server is set up locally. And next, we can use wget utility to upload, followed by the IP address of the Kali Linux. And port number, limpia shell script. It's done. We need to make it executable. And then we can run this shell script. This limpia shell script is very powerful during the stage of the privilege escalation, because it will go through all possible vectors to elevate a privilege. For example, like the sudo version, local exploits, the SUID binaries, and also like process information, cron job information. Abundant information about the target can be enumerated out automatically. It's done. So let's scroll up. This time, today, I'd like to use an alternative way to escalate a privilege. To the top, capability information. Cron job information, process information. Here, give us the possible exploits on the target. Of course, we can try one by one. However, if I know the target maybe exist local exploit to elevate a privilege, the most preferable way for me is to use the Metaprettor or MSF console to do this. In order to do that, we need to get the Metaprettor session first. All right. In order to do that, we need to create the payload first, and we can use MSF Vellum, and the payload is Linux. So if you don't know which payload we need to use, we can use the list payloads and grep the Metaprettor and also grep the Linux, because the target is Linux, right? And I think if you take a look at the outputs, this one is what we are interested in at this moment. We can copy and Asylum. With option P, specify the payload. And then we need to specify the local host to our Kali Linux. We just copy the IP address and the port number 6666. And the format is ELF. And auto to the escalate ELF. Okay, it's done. As you can see, the payload has been created successfully. Next, we can use the web server of the Python to upload this payload to the target. We can make sure we are inside the temp directory, followed by the IP address of the attacking machine. Don't forget to specify the port number and then the file name escalate. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, we need to make it executable. Escalate. And then before we run this payload, we need to set up the handler first on the Kali Linux. So we can launch Metasploit console. And use the exploit multi-handler. However, we cannot use the default payload. We need to use the same payload. Rather, instead, we can set payload to, we can copy this payload path and paste in here. Then we can show options. We can set the local host to our Kali Linux. Paste in here. Yeah, make sure this port number is the same as the port number when we create the payload, the 666. And then we can run. The handler has been started. Now we can go back to the target shell and hit enter. As you can see, yeah, it's a sending stage to the target. The Metasploit session, when opened, we can background this Metasploit session, and then we can search suggester, and we can use this module. I think I've already demonstrated this technique many times. And then we can show options. We can set the session number to 1. Yeah, this is the only field we have to configure. And then we can run. And this module, yeah, this suggester module will collect possible local exploits for the target. And we wait, yeah, 1 or 2 minutes. And now it's doing checks on the possible exploits. Finally, this module will give us the list of possible exploits, which can allow us to elevate a privilege. Yeah, the first result is this module. This surface is running but cannot be validated. And we got the second possible exploits. The target appears to be vulnerable. And the last one is sudo baron samdit. This version is vulnerable build. All right. Of course, we can try these three possible exploits one by one. However, to save time of this video, I'd like to select this one. First, we can use the info command to display the information of this module. This version, the buffer overflow exists in the sudo command, and some old version of this sudo has this vulnerability. All right, we can use this module to see whether this exploit can be working. We can show options. We need to set the local host to our Kali Linux. Should be this one. And we need to select different local port number to be listened on. And then we need to set the session number to 1, because at this moment there is just only one session, Metaprat session, and then we just run. It looks like this module can work for this target. A successful exploit will create a new root user with this password. And then do the brute forcing SLR. This is some sort of the security feature of the Linux. I think it's almost done. We'll give it some more patience. Because it's make brute forcing against this mechanism of the Linux, which will take several minutes. Again, this video is not the entire process of the machine. Only the latter part of the exploitation is demonstrated in this video. I think this module can work because I have already done that earlier, a few minutes ago. At least I hope so. Writing, success, sending stage. As you can see, we got another second Metaprat session. As you can see, the UID is root. If you want, you can go to the shell session and we can check the ID and then navigate to root directory. And then we can get the root flag without any problem. All right, so that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.